We're going to play a game today called Art Simon Says. Let's get going.
Hello, my talented artists.
Don't forget to subscribe. Now remember, when we play Art Simon Says, I'm going to give you an instruction and then you're going to do exactly what I say. We're going to start on the white side of your paper and your name is on the other side. The first color that I want you to find is blue. You can pick any shade of blue. And you are going to draw a straight line from one side to any other side, but it has to go all the way across. You can go from that side to that side, from that side to that side, from that side to that side, and it needs to be a straight blue line. I'm going to do a straight blue line. And I want you to draw your straight blue line. Go ahead, draw a straight blue line. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Just do the best you can. Pause lesson if needed. The next Art Simon Says instruction is you are going to draw a green, any shade of green, curved line. Again, it's going to be from one side of the paper to any other side. It needs to start on a side and go all the way off the paper. Any kind of curved line. You can begin. Draw a curved green line. Pause lesson if needed. Time for our third Art Simon Says instruction. I want you to find a red oil pastel. And this time you're going to draw 3 short, straight lines anywhere on your paper. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and draw your 3 short, straight, red lines. Pause lesson if needed. The next Art Simon Says instruction is to find a purple oil pastel. It can be this purpley pink lavender, light, or the darker purple. And I want you to start at the green line and you're going to make a corkscrew line or a loop-de-loop line, and you can end at any other line, but when you hit a line, you got to stop. Stop. Let's repeat that one more time. Listen carefully. Get those listening ears ready. Boop, 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 boop. Turn them on. Listen carefully. I know you can do it. Let me say it one more time. The next Art Simon Says instruction is to find a purple oil pastel. It can be this purpley pink lavender, light, or the darker purple. And I want you to start at the green line and you're going to make a corkscrew line or a loop-de-loop line, and you can end at any other line, but when you hit a line, you got to stop. Stop. Pause lesson if needed. For the next Art Simon Says instruction, find an orange oil pastel. And you are going to make a zigzag line starting from one of your red short lines and going all the way off your paper all the way to an edge. See if you can do that. Now you try it. Pause if needed. The next instruction is to find a yellow oil pastel. I have a nice little short yellow one. And I want you to do a wavy line, any way, short or long, anywhere on your page. I'm going to make a long one. Now it's your turn. Pause if needed. Now we're going to draw 3 shapes. And you can pick one color or you can pick 3 different colors and you can choose any color you like.
Yes, yes.
You are going to make 3 circles, but one has to be small, one has to be medium, and one has to be large. I'm going to start with my small circle. I'm going to do them all in dark blue. And then I'm going to do a medium circle. Do the best you can. Your circles don't have to be perfect. And now I'm going to do a large circle. Your turn. Draw 3 circles, small, medium, and large, and you can choose whatever color or colors you want. Your turn. Pause if needed. Congratulations! You have completed the Art Simon Says. Everybody hold up your picture so that we can see it. Nice work, friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Thanks so much for watching. Keep on arting.